What you saying? Eh? What you saying? Say something. Yes? Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Say happy Friday. Happy Friday. Really? Did you? Wow. Wow. Very good. You're going out today? Where are you going? Out with mommy and daddy? Yes? Mommy's coming to pick you up. Mm-hmm. You gonna have a Friday with mommy? Girls' day out? You going to Target? Yes. Oh. Nice. You hear the people? They're mowing the lawn. That's the lawn service. Aren't you going to sleep? No sleep? Not today? Not this morning? Hmm? You're a happy baby. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.